Cycling is great for your health, your budget, and your planet. Maybe you bike as much as possible, or maybe you've been meaning to get into it. But the reality on the street often makes your ride challenging. We wanted to give riders total confidence on the road by making them visible from every direction. That's why we designed Monkey Lights. We've been making Monkey Lights since 2007. Our lights are known for being incredibly bright, durable, and fun. In 2013, we kickstarted the first video bike wheel, the Monkey Light Pro. Since then, we've talked to thousands of Monkey Light users around the world. They keep telling us just how confident they feel when they ride. Monkey Lights were originally designed to be fun and visible. Now we're ready to take the next step with sleek new designs that are ridiculously easy to use. With our third generation of Monkey Lights, you just ride your bike and they work their magic. All the lights feature our new fully automatic technology. They reliably turn on when you need them, and they securely lock into your spokes. This way, you won't lose your lights, and you'll never forget to turn them on. These third generation lights also feature our new hub-mounted rechargeable battery. The battery lasts for months of normal usage, and it pops out easily to charge from any USB port. Our lights are great for every kind of bike and any type of rider. And now we're able to make them more affordable than ever. So why Monkey Lights? Well, take a look at this. This is how a bike looks, with traditional front and rear lights. Now look at it with Monkey Lights. All of our Monkey Lights are clearly visible from every direction. By illuminating the wheels, the moving light greatly increases visibility, even on a crowded street. The speed and direction of the rider can be seen as well. Monkey Lights light up the road and make every ride more safe and more fun. Our A10 combo is a set of two fully automatic lights. It features a classic look with a bright white light for the front wheel and a red light for the rear wheel. The A15 adds full color LEDs with a button to choose between 8 colors and 5 simple themes. The A10 and A15 are incredibly easy to use. Just get on your bike and ride. Our A30 is for those who want to maximize fun and visibility. It includes 42 full color themes: stars, hearts, lightning, fireballs, flowers, and much more. Our lights are built to last through years of use in all weather conditions, the bumpiest roads, and whatever adventure comes your way.
These new Monkey Lights represent 3 years of improving our products, upgrading our equipment, and rigorous testing. We mold our lights right here in California with a process that we developed ourselves.
Thanks for all your help so far. Your support is critical. It helps us pay for the tooling and materials that we need to bring these products to market.
Help us fulfill our vision of making cycling as safe and fun as possible.
Bicycles are exciting, fun, and freeing. They're a vehicle to adventure that takes you on a ride around the countryside or to a local cafe with your friends. A bike gives you the freedom to go where you want, when you want, to help you stay connected to the people and the things you enjoy. No gas, no engines, just you and your bike. Except when you get a flat. Have you ever found yourself in the middle of nowhere pushing a bike? Tires and tubes are constantly getting replaced. Their time, their money, and a huge pain, especially kids' bikes. In fact, we built a business around this idea, but we feel it's time to change.
We are Ryan, Jake, and Dave. We've been friends a long time. We dress the same, and we own a bike store together. Over the years, we've seen thousands of flat tires. It's the #1 reason people come into our store. We hate flat tires. You hate flat tires. Everybody hates flat tires. That's why we went searching the globe to find a better solution. In doing so, we have found some revolutionary answers that are sure to save you time and headaches.
Imagine a tire that isn't affected by punctures or cuts. We have found 2 types of tires that fit most riding needs. Introducing Ever Tires and Nexo. Picture a tire that's easy to install, requires no maintenance, and will provide you years of rides without any worries. With Ever Tires and Nexo, you can truly set it and forget it. The Ever Tire is made of a patented polymer blend that is durable and pliable without being subject to the weaknesses of rubber tubes or tires. With Ever Tires, you can roll over any surface without a care. Ever Tires has a unique design that helps reduce weight, but yet still provides a stable ride. They are currently rated for 5,000 miles, which is like riding across the United States and back again. Complete wheel sets are available for single-speed bikes from sizes from 12 to 26 inches. You simply bolt them onto your bike and you're ready to go.
For those that tend to put on a few more miles and have a few more gears, we have the next generation of tire technology, the Nexo tire. Nexo tires look like your regular road bike tire, except you'll never see them go flat. Their one-of-a-kind material and patented technology had thousands of hours of research in them. They provide durability, traction, and control. They handle, perform, and brake nearly as good as a standard road bike tire. The Nexo tire is quick and easy to install, only taking about 15 minutes. Once it's installed, you're done.
Imagine the freedom of riding your bike thousands of miles worry-free. We're bringing this to market now because we feel that you should be spending more time with your friends and family doing the things that you love and less time in the garage trying to fix those tires. Get on board with this flat-free solution and let's go ride.
Hi, I'm Daniel Itzkowski. Let me introduce you to Skunk Lock. We all know that gut-wrenching feeling of coming back and your bike's gone. That won't happen with the Skunk Lock. Skunk Lock is a bicycle lock that was designed with a built-in deterrent. It can actually stop a thief from stealing your bike. Lock manufacturers won't tell you the fact that any U-lock can be compromised with the right tools. The truth is, any lock can be cut in a minute or less. And that's why 1.5 million bikes are stolen each year. Let's not worry about electronics, which can fail, or a crook with an angle grinder. Let's pressurize a unique chemical compound into the lock that bursts if the lock is compromised. Skunk Lock is manufactured with the highest quality materials we could find. We've extensively tested our prototypes for your safety and convenience. It doesn't look like any other U-lock on the market. And unlike any other U-lock, a thief will get a noxious surprise if they try to steal your bike. When it comes to the challenge of delivering a Skunk Lock to your door, we're ahead of the crowdfunding curve. We have manufacturing in place, and they're ready to build upon receiving our first order. And Skunk Lock comes with easy key replacement. How would it feel if you never had to worry about your bike being stolen again? Join the revolution and grab a Skunk Lock. It could be the last lock you ever buy.
Hi, I'm Fabian and this is Eddy, the smallest and lightest add-on kit for bicycles that converts any bicycle into a powerful e-bike within seconds. You simply mount the drive unit to your existing bike, attach the battery, switch it on and off you go. E-bikes are fast, eco-friendly and they take you to work without sweating. But conventional e-bikes are quite heavy and bulky. They're not meant to be used as normal bikes. That's why we created Eddy. It offers a super efficient drive while keeping your bike pure, agile and absolutely smooth running. Eddy consists of 3 parts: the mounting plate, the drive unit and the battery, all made of high quality materials. As you can see, Eddy is almost invisible. And it's a true lightweight champion. While most other systems have between 5 and 10 kilograms, Eddy weighs only 2 kilograms, including the battery. And Eddy is smart. In off mode you don't feel it, since there's no friction or counterweight. In on mode you can select various support levels. Once you pedal, Eddy starts within half a second. If you stop pedaling, Eddy stops automatically. Therefore, Eddy is safe, light and a great companion for your trips. After 2 years of development, we are proud to have a fully working first version of Eddy. All tests are completed and Eddy is doing great. Since September, we are producing Eddy on a small scale with stunning feedback of our customers. This feedback helps us to make the new version of Eddy even smarter. Now we need your help to accelerate the production and establish Eddy on the market. Join our campaign and emotion your bike with Eddy.